Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. So in order for us to proceed, I'm going to show you how I was able to add these here in my profile. So in order to do that, I want you to go over and click this three vertical lines here, and then we're just going to open the TikTok Studio. After opening the TikTok Studio, we should be redirected here. Now you have the TikTok Shop for creator and then TikTok Shop for seller. So for affiliate marketing, we are going to click TikTok Shop for creator just like so. And then if we are going to go over here below, you have the product marketplace. You can go ahead and click this. And this is where we are going to find products to add there. So for example, in my case, most of what I posted in there are sleepers, slippers, or sandals. So I can go ahead and choose something similar. So for example, this one. And after clicking it, you can see that this is the amount that I am going to earn per sale. So that is a 5% commission rate. Now, positive ratings, it is 83%. So I can just go ahead and click add to showcase just like so. And then after doing so, if I were to go back in there, my profile, you can see that now we have managed to add it. And yeah, that is how you become a TikTok Shop affiliate.